Want to see Earth at its most jaw-dropping? 5 spots, 1 minute, go. Number 5. Antelope Canyon, USA. Narrow sandstone walls. Light beams like nature's spotlight. Every photo looks unreal. Number 4. Socotra Island, Yemen. Alien trees. Surreal landscapes. They look like they belong on another planet. Number 3. Aurora Borealis. Iceland. Northern Scandinavia. Neon curtains of light dancing overhead. Nature's ultimate light show. Number 2. The Amazon rainforest. Trees, rivers, endless species. Every step could reveal something brand new. Number 1. Bioluminescent bays, like Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay. Waves that glow. Plankton spark like stars in water. It feels like walking into a dream. Quick bonus, Great Barrier Reef. Quick bonus, Yosemite National Park. Earth is full of wow. Which of these blew your mind? Drop your pick in the comments. Hit follow for more super fast travel vibes. Remember, use stock footage and explore responsibly. See you at the next countdown.